2 plus 1 which give us 3 and 3 times 3 which give us 9 and 9 divided by 9 which give us 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, first we have to do parenthesis, then exponent, then division or multiplication or addition or subtraction. And remember that division and multiplication have equal priority, which have to work from left to right, and that same is applied in addition or subtraction. In this expression, we have one division, one multiplication, and one parenthesis. And inside the parenthesis, we have one addition. And here we have one multiplication. In mathematics, a number placed next to a parenthesis, which means number multiplied to that parenthesis. So according to the PEMDAS, firstly we have to solve this parenthesis, then this division, and then multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, so this is wrong. So according to PEMDAS, firstly we have to solve parenthesis, so 2 plus 1 which give us 3. So 9 divided by 3 times 3. Now we have to solve 9 divided by 3 which give us 3. So now 3 times 3 which equals to 9. So correct answer is 9.